Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel and to another beautiful day here in Yogini, India. So today I'm going to show you how to make Indian chai. So with Indian chai, India itself is the second largest manufacturer of tea and the second largest seller of tea. So on every street food corner you will probably see lots and lots of tea making, and today I'm going to take you into town to show you how to make the street food chai. We even drink tea on the beach. It's amazing. And also in the sea. Wow, cheers. Luckily the waves are low today, as you can see. Oh. The magic yellow powder, it's anti-inflammatory, really good for you in many ways, again, especially in these COVID times. Just sprinkle a little bit in there and that'll make your turmeric tea. Cheers! Very nice. So I will show you the ingredients for the traditional Indian chai. So it's going to be made by a traditional lady called Sukri, who doesn't want to be filmed today, but I will certainly show you the process for making the Indian chai. Ingredients are proportionate to this size glass. And what we need for the ingredients is half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We've got round this corner ginger, so just some ginger, and 2 cardamom seeds. And in addition to all of this, we also need water, a cully full of water, and not forgetting the all-important tea powder. Sukri, how many spoons of tea powder is it? 1 teaspoon. Okay, tea powder, that looks more like a tablespoon. Okay, lovely. And now I'm going to show you the process of the tea making. And how long do we heat this for? And then as it starts to heat up, Sukri is just adding the tea powder to the concoction. And also the cardamom. And then as it's heating up and getting towards boiling, oh, there you go, she's just gonna. And before the boiling, she just adds the ginger. And then the sugar. Oh my goodness, the sugar is lethal, but because I'm saying it's a pure traditional chai, we're using the sugar. Wow, and it gets to boiling like this. You can actually replace the sugar with jaggery or honey, but this is traditional. And today, as a treat, I'm going to have traditional chai. And then we strain it into the cup. So it's a little bit different than the street food because the street food don't strain it. Cheers! Oh my goodness me, it is divine. It actually feels like drinking a cake, and Jasmine's actually eating a cake. And I'm drinking a cake. And lots of people offer to buy me a chai.
I will buy you a chai.
I will buy you a chai.
Hey, we'll buy you a chai.
Thank you.
I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
Traveling Yogini cast. All the best. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Lovely.
I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
We will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
We will buy you a chai.
I will buy you a chai.
Thank you.
I'll buy you a chai.
Thank you. So the most traditional form of chai, I would say, is the one that was made in my homestay. So that's the one that tasted like a cake. And then we've got the street food chai. Oh, and then the healthier versions, the more yogi versions, like the turmeric tea and the Tulsi tea. And they're all amazing. My favourite probably between the Tulsi and the turmeric. But it's always really good to show you the traditional versions. And of course, there's a lot of depth in Indian culture when it comes to their different teas. So it's just amazing. So it's really lovely for people to offer to buy me a chai as well. So that is just amazing. And if you would also like to buy me a chai, I would be ever so grateful. So what it is that I'm asking for is just some donations for making the videos, because it takes me an awful long time to do the filming, to do the editing, and there's no monetization, and I would like to continue to do the work and get better camera equipment. So donations from you guys I'd be ever so grateful for. So there's a link in the description. There's also the same link in the comment section, and it's called Buy Me a Coffee, but my version is a Buy Me a Chai. So minimum donation is £5, which is 500 rupees, which is about $6.50 depending on exchange rate. So one-off donations are very, very happily accepted. You can also sign up to do monthly donations or yearly donations, but of course it needn't be a lot, and especially for one-off donations, a lot of people haven't really got much finances to give away at the moment due to the corona era. So of course just a little donation is absolutely fine via the link. So Shanti Shanti Shanti, Om Namah Shivaya, very grateful for any sort of donations, for any subscriptions to the channel. Much gratitude. Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you all very much for watching the Indian tea making vlog, and see you on the next vlog. Bye for now.